Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass ranch. It's the Echo series. Fits a 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. This one's in really good shape. It doesn't really have anything wrong with it. It's a fairly new piece. Just taken off a truck. Top and the top edge look good. I don't see anything wrong here. Really looking good down through here. Paint looks good all the way through here. Bottom edge looks good. No damage on the bottom edge. Does have the half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. Does have a little bit of a wear mark right there. I don't even know. It might actually come out. I don't know. Sure what that is. You can barely see it. Paint looks good through here. No damage on the paint here. Down through here looks good. Bottom edge looks good down through here. All the way down through here. Looks good through there. On this side, a little bit of the wear mark. Same there. It looks like, honestly, I think it's buffing compound when they buffed this out new. Paint looks good through here. No damage here. Top and the top edge look good through here. I have a little nick right there. If you can see it or not. Yeah. That looks like the only thing wrong with it. Down through here looks good. All looks good through here. No bottom, the bottom edge, no damage at all. Half side sliders on the side. Double T-handle locking rear door. Back edge in good shape. No damage here. A little bit of a, it's like a little bit of a nick right there. Right there. That's really all I see. Paint looks good through here. So no damage at all that I'm seeing here. Maybe a small little nick right there. Barely can see it. Back door looks good. Inside is bare fiberglass. Screens look new actually, so whole cap really kind of looks new. I don't think it really has anything wrong with it. Screens look good through here. Serial number is right there. It is the Echo series for the 15 Ford F-150 5'6" with a 5.5 foot bed. UX silver metallic is the color. There it is. Got a cab high fiberglass ranch. It's a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. UX silver is the color. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap, style, brand, color, you're waiting for something to come in, we upload to YouTube on our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.